I'm Bird Tech, man. Welcome back. Hey, what's up, everybody? Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you the first 10 things you need to do with your Galaxy Z Fold 3 to make sure that it's used to its maximum capacity. So let's check it out.
Be strong.
But before we get started, hey, help a tech brother out. Hit that doggone subscribe button down below and give me a like. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Now, let's get busy. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that your screen is set up properly. And we're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to display. And when we get to display, we want to make sure that we don't have the light mode set up, but we have the dark mode set up. And what that's going to do is that's going to save some battery power. And you will need some battery power saved because the battery on it is not great. It's not terrible, but it's not great. So you do that, that's going to help. And another thing that you can do is you can go down here to the motion smoothness, and you can change from adaptive, which is 120 refresh rate, is using double the power, and you can take it down to standard, which is 60 hertz refresh rate. And what that's going to do is that's going to give you more power as well. Now, the screen on this phone is so bright that you don't have to worry about even running it at 60 hertz during the sunlight. That's how powerful it is. We're going to go to the sound, and we're going to make sure that we have Dolby Atmos on. So you go to sound, then you go to sound quality and effects, and you see where it says Dolby Atmos. Make sure that you have that on, and you want to put it on for auto and also for games if you're going to play games on here as well. Set it up so you have a double tap to turn it on and turn it off. And what we do with that is, again, we go to settings, then we go down to advanced features, and then we go down to where it says motion and gestures. And here you see where it says double tap to turn on screen, you turn that on, and double tap to turn off the screen, you turn that on. And what that does is you double tap, it turns it off, double taps, it turns it on. And the next thing you're going to want to do in order to save some battery life is you want to scroll down, more connections. Make sure that nearby device scanning is turned off, because all that does is it's going to continually scan for devices and eat up your battery. Now, the eye comfort shield. This is another one that's important. For example, when you're getting ready to wind down and you're getting ready to go to sleep at night, you want to start to kind of wind it down a little bit. So you can go here and you can set up a custom time. Say, for example, here I will set my custom from sunrise to sunset. That means at sunrise, it's going to be regular. At sunset, it's going to tone it down, and that's going to give you some eye comfort. Now, you can adjust your comfort level, the blue blocker, by adjusting the slider here at the bottom. And the always on display, this is nice if you want to keep your display on at all times, especially at night. You want to set it up for like a night clock or something like that, then you can go on here and you can get these. Now, they do have some very nice ones, and the ones that are on here, you can download them, you can buy them, or every now and then you might be able to find a free one on here. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to go to settings, and you want to go scroll all the way down to where it says about phone. Now, if you lose your phone or you misplace it, you want others to be able to get it back to you. So you want to go in here and you want to put your name in there. And then you want to put a number that they can contact. Now, you don't want to put your number, you want to put a different number in there so that they can contact you. Another thing that you're going to want to put on here is you're going to want to go to where it says show charging information, turn that on. That's an extra one that you need as well, so you can always know that you're charging your phone. and you won't be mistaken. Now let's look at some advanced features. You want to go to the lab, and in the lab you want to make sure that you have it set up. When you scroll down to lab, tap on it, and where it says auto rotate all apps. And what that's going to do is that's going to automatically rotate your apps when you open them up. And this is good, especially if you're going to use this like Word or Google Docs on it. And when you use Word or Google Docs, you always want to use it in this landscape mode versus the portrait mode because of that crease. So you want to make sure that you have that on. You want to use multi-window for all apps, turn that on. And what that's going to do is that's going to allow it to pop up in split screen, including apps that haven't been set up that way, the ones that didn't necessarily come with Samsung. If you found value in this quick top 10 things to do with your Galaxy Z Fold 3, hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell, share, and comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. And remember, before you buy anything, always first, check it out.
Be strong.